Hey, so a better alternative to LinkedIn has come up in the market. The name of the app is RelateZone. Now there is a reason why I said RelateZone is a better alternative to LinkedIn. Yes, it is better alternative because RelateZone has what? Professional networking, business news generation, business networking, leads generation, and job search and apply. Yeah, all these cool features are into RelateZone. But additionally, it has one more cool feature. It has short news feeds. So basically, RelateZone is a blend of LinkedIn and in short, I would say. And there's one more cool thing about this app that I would like you to know. The entire app has been single-handedly developed from scratch by a single person. You know the name of the person? Do write in the comment box. Better alternative to LinkedIn. It has got many jobs from diversified streams, may it be designing, marketing, engineering, leadership roles, executive roles, and on the other side, it has so many people from diversified domains, professionals, hiring managers, to which you can directly contact to. You can network and do many other things. Expand your business, and the possibilities are endless the way you harness the features of RelateZone. So do make sure you visit the app and make the best of it, and hope you land up with more cool and high paying jobs as you deserve for.